All right, if you're just joining us, we're going to be telling you how to administer Narcan, okay? This is very important. There's a lot of people out there who might need some help. Are we ready to help them? Thank you again for joining us. It's been a lot of fun so far. But now we're going to talk about something serious, Narcan. So our situation is we see somebody down on the ground, unconscious, passed out, whatever's going on. We're not sure what to do. First thing we're going to do, we're going to try and get their attention, okay? So let's go down. Follow me. So you can either rub your knuckles on their sternum, like this, or you shake their shoulders and shout at them, see if you can get their attention. Doesn't look like we're getting any responses. Now it's time to administer the Narcan. Does everybody have it with them?
Yeah.
Let's grab it. So we're going to take off all that paper, all that excess plastic, throw plastic away, because we just need this. Okay, this is very important. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this tip, tilt their head back, insert that tip into one of their nostrils. And now what are we going to do? We are going to press the plunger. Okay, everyone say press that plunger.
Press that plunger.
Awesome. Okay, make sure to remember that. So press that plunger. Okay. Now that that's administered, we're going to wait 2 minutes before administering a second dose. While you're waiting, call 911. Now, if it's been 2 minutes, no help's arrived, they're not responding, we're going to administer that second dose. 2 doses if they don't respond in 2 minutes. This time, different Narcan into a different nostril. Not the same nostril, different one, okay? And we're going to follow the steps just as before, okay? What are we going to do, guys?
Press that plunger.
Okay, so we're going to press that plunger. Okay, and our second dose has been administered. Always remember this list. 1. Check for a response. 2. Give naloxone spray. If you believe the individual is overdosing from opioids, but they're not, Narcan will not harm them. Number 3. Call 911. And number 4. If the individual remains unresponsive after 2 minutes, give another naloxone spray.